And with the heat index near 100, several people are cranking the AC.
This, of course, leads to problems, which means AC companies are working overtime. CBS 17's Steve Sbraccia has what you need to know to stay cool this summer.
Well, guys, when the temperature gets as hot as what Bill Ray was just talking about, your electric bills tend to go way up through the roof. And here's the reason for it. It's things like this, your air conditioning units. To try and keep those bills low, you want to keep these units working as efficiently as possible, and there are several ways you can do that. Preventive maintenance. It'll help keep your air conditioner running like it just came out of the box.
So many people, you know, they're doing life, and next thing you know, the AC has stopped, and they get to looking back in some records. Wow, it's been 6 years since we had somebody look at that thing.
One simple thing you can do, allow your unit to breathe, especially inside. How often do you change your filter?
I change these once a month.
They get clogged up pretty good. If they get clogged up, what happens to your AC?
It breaks, I know from experience.
And take care of the outside, too.
You want to keep 36 inches of clearance around the unit if you can, so it can breathe. That's manufacturer spec.
The hotter it gets, the more people like to lower that thermostat. Where do you set your air conditioning at?
68.
It's kind of cold, isn't it?
It's comfortable.
But lower temps can mean higher electric bills. The Department of Energy says you'll save 3% on your energy bill for every degree you raise the temperature setting of your central air conditioning. Katie Andrews is one of those who make sure that her air conditioning is adjusted when she's not home.
I do have a Nest system for my AC, so during the day it'll heat up while we're not home, but during the evening we like it cold.
And the U.S. Department of Energy says the best thermostat settings in the summertime, 78 degrees when you're home, 82 degrees when you're sleeping, and 85 degrees when you are at work or away. And you need to experiment with those settings here on your thermostat. Now, right now, we have this one set for 78 degrees, but if that's too hot for you, well, then notch it down a degree to 77. Let the system reset. See how that works for you. If that doesn't work, go down to 76 or 75. It's all a matter of personal preference, but it's also a matter of trying to save yourself some cash. Getting answers for you, I'm consumer investigator Steve Sbraccia.